Welcome back to the show, guys. We're in Ocho Rios this week. Now, in this week's Talent on the Rise, let's check out Shenseea.
Jiggle, jiggle, my body, a jiggle, jiggle. Make a bend and I ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle, jiggle, my body, a jiggle, jiggle. Do it fast, come and know my body fits like fiddle. Now the me go me a jump and a jiggle. Take a bend and I ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle, jiggle, body feel a jiggle.
I know what other female artists doesn't really have is a strong team. I mean, on my team, Ramesh Entertainment team, I have my manager, my designer in one. I have my DJs, Escobar, Scrappy. I have my dancers as girls. I have my promo girls. So, you know, it's easier for my music to reach out there. Officially, I have been doing it from May 2016. Yes. But long ago, where I didn't take it up in the studio, as we're here now, I usually sang in churches and schools and so forth. But I started officially recording my first hit, which is Jiggle Jiggle, in May, June, August, about thereabout. My real name is Shenseea, and I am from St. Elizabeth. I decided to do entertainment management, but I dropped out because of financial issues and so forth in the second year, which was the year which I had to get my degree. So I didn't, unfortunately, I didn't get it around that time. And meanwhile, I was home because I got pregnant in the following year. I was home babysitting and so forth. I had a lot of time on my hands where I had a young child, about 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. So I had a lot of time to write. I have a long way to go, but I mean, a lot of stuff are happening. A lot of producers who I didn't dream of working with for now. I started working with like Jordan Chimney and Frost, and also Fast is really the best word to describe it. I am far different from other female artists. I hear people, like when I'm doing other interviews, some will say, oh, don't be like some artists, oh no, that man do you and that man do you and what you had to do. My reputation is never gonna be like that. I'm headstrong, first of all. Very determined. Yes, we have Spice, where she's hardworking, but I'm hardworking as well. I try to do everything. Basically, try to cater for a wider audience, like the reggae people, the gospel people, the youngsters, the middle age. So yeah, I'm trying to do everything.
Now let's check out the video premiere of the week.
Something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right, yeah. Before I hold you in my arms, I wanna hold you in my heart. Before we share our love upon that bed, I wanna place this crown up on your head, woman. Girl, you're my queen, Majesty. You are my queen, Majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, Majesty? Oh, you are my queen, Majesty. Queen of the jungle, you are the lioness. Other feline a grumble, but they're always trying your best. So when the whole world a crumble, your lion is alright. Before I hold you close, just before I hold you close, oh girl, I wanna let you know that when all is done and all is said, you deserve that crown upon your head, woman. I said, queen, don't you know you are my queen, baby? Majesty, yes, you know you are, Majesty. You are my queen, baby, Majesty. You know?
After the break, we take you inside Konoko Falls, and the public tells us who was hot in 2016. We'll be right back.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.